So on Sunday I had a live trading session and I recorded it for you guys, but I just want to quickly mention that you guys can join our Discord trading group. Whether you want to be a free member or VIP member, the link is down in the description below. We have actual 4 traders in our trading group. As you can see over here, this is Christina's trade, 160 pips on GBP Japanese yen within 1 day's time. She's smashing the markets and all the rest of our traders are as well. I really recommend you guys joining. You will learn a lot. Anyway, without further ado, let's get down to business. So today I'm thinking of trading a little bit. It is Sunday, so we're gonna have to trade some cryptocurrency. I'm on the 5-minute time frame and I'm using the no gap candlesticks indicator. Some people have suggested it. Apparently they found success. I never used it, so we will see how we do. I'm also using 20 and 50 moving averages as my base indicators. We might use other indicators throughout this video, so enjoy the trading session and hopefully you guys learn something. So I'm looking at Bitcoin US dollar at the moment. A nice bearish engulfing candlestick, had a little pullback, does show bearish pressure. Once again, new lows are coming in. So this is the Bitcoin US dollar chart. Let's open the 5-minute. As you can see, dropping down. Probably a nice sell trading opportunity. Minus $37 at the moment, but hopefully this will continue dropping and we're gonna see some profit and money coming in. So while we're waiting for Bitcoin US dollar, let's have a look at something like Ethereum. Ethereum's dropping. I totally missed this trade out. When I set everything up, I wanted to place this trade just over here, bearish engulfing candle, new low, and it just dropped nicely. So we missed that trade. If it has a pullback towards the moving averages, could be a nice trade again towards the downside for sure. But at the moment, no point in trading it. The move has already happened. Let's take a look at Bitcoin US dollar, and as you can see, it's following the same thing as what Ethereum is doing. So let's see what's going on. $430 in profit. We're going to close this off. This was a very good trading opportunity, literally $400 profit within a couple of minutes time. That was beautiful. Now all we need to do is wait for a pullback and then probably continue moving towards the downside. So we got 10 seconds left until Bitcoin US dollar actually closes as a bearish engulfing candlestick over here once again. Very likely we're going to have some sort of pullback towards the previous area of sensitivity before we're going to continue dropping down. I hope that happens because this will give us a nice trading entry and we can continue dropping down and making more money. If it doesn't happen, it's okay. But at the moment, I'm not willing to place a trade just over here because I believe it's going to have a pullback and that's not going to be a good entry opportunity for us to take. So Bitcoin's kind of coming back, which is nice. What I want to do is maybe place Bitcoin now, just so let's see what happens. I believe if it's going to drop, it's going to drop drastically towards the downside. However, as I said, it could come back to the previous area of sensitivity. So push exhaustion scenario goes back towards the downside. Let me look at this. 3 bearish engulfing candles, one after the other. It looks pretty good for a selling opportunity. So at the moment, Bitcoin US dollar, as you can see, $120 in profit. Just going to close it off. You can see nicely moving towards the downside. I can't place all of the trades. I realize I don't have enough margin to place many trades. So that kind of sucks. I wanted to place Ethereum and Ripple as well. Bitcoin US dollar kind of pulling back a little bit again. I actually think it's another good trading opportunity on Bitcoin. So let's just place it. Maybe even keep it a little bit longer. These 3 bearish engulfing candles are showing just pure nice bearish pressure and momentum. I mean, if we have a look at the 15-minute time frame, we can see the same thing. We just broke past this previous low, as you can see over here. Nice candlestick closure. It's much lower than over here. Looks pretty good to me. I obviously found some buying pressure over here, very likely going to retest once again. This previous area zone was a strong support, but if we have a look at the 30-minute, as you can see, it's attempting to break past all of these area zones. So it does look pretty bearish. Let's have a look at the hourly. As you can see, 43 minutes left until this candlestick over here closes. But if it does, let's say we just mark this area zone, if this is crossed in 42 minutes, obviously I'm not going to be waiting for that long, but if it does cross, it's going to plummet down even more. 15-minute time frame, as you can see, nicely trying to break past over here as well. 5 minutes, let's have a look. Bearish engulfing candle once again developing. 2 minutes left. Let's take a look. Another $100 profit, which is nice. I believe it's gonna drop down a little more, so I'm just gonna hold on to this pair at the moment. So Bitcoin at the moment pulling back a little bit. I still have this trade open, $40 in profit. As you notice, I don't have any stop loss or take profits because I'm, watching the markets. I'm not expecting the market to do anything drastic. Although it's Bitcoin, maybe could happen, but very likely I would be able to close it off quick enough. So $42 in profit at the moment. Let's see what happens. I've been looking at Stellar US dollar actually, and this seems pretty good as well. The no gap indicator, if we just close it off, there we go, bearish engulfing candle. Had a pullback, very likely in this area zone, previous area sensitivity gonna continue dropping down. So we're gonna be placing Stellar 2 lot size. Obviously it's not gonna be big enough because the crypto itself is not big, so the movement is not there. It's not like Bitcoin, where I placed a 2 lot size trade and it already pretty much cleared my free margin. So that's crazy, but yep. So $50 at the moment, -3 for Stellar. We'll see what happens in a little bit. All right, actually we are losing some money at the moment. Bitcoin is coming back, so I'm just gonna close both of these off. We are -$100 at the moment. That's totally fine. As I said, I was expecting a pullback. I was risking it a little bit, but now we are having a pullback, and I'm expecting a pullback towards this area zone for Bitcoin. For Stellar, same thing around this area zone, so we could potentially even place it once again. But I'm gonna see what Bitcoin does, because Bitcoin is the main cryptocurrency. That's what we want to follow. Ethereum second place. It's still quite far away from the moving averages. I believe that's where the turnaround point is for Ethereum at least. So we need to wait a little bit more. Once it reaches this area zone, Bitcoin US dollar are going to be placing yet another trade towards the downside, because very likely it's going to retest this zone once it reaches over here, and this is going to be where the money is at. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to watch this one over here. It's pretty damn good. It's also live trading and you'll probably like it.